Volume. What is it? When you are asked to think about volume, there are many things that may come to mind. In school, when you first learn about volume, you will usually be taught to associate your mathematical concepts with classroom shapes and resources such as prisms, cubes, and cylinders. But have you ever thought about the amount of space the tank of your transport vehicle holds, or the amount of storage room in your garage for all those toys of yours? You may not have realized it yet, but volume is used in our day-to-day lives in various situations. Volume is the amount of space which an object takes up, and it is determined or measured by cubic units. There are several types of cubic units, from as small as cubic millimeters to as large as cubic kilometers. Let's think about an example. I want you to fill a lolly jar with jelly beans. Yum, right? What cubic unit would you use to measure this lolly jar? Did you say cubic centimeters? That's correct.
Let's try that again. What about the amount of space for a whole football stadium? What cubic unit would you use to measure Allianz Stadium in Sydney? Did you say cubic kilometres? That is correct. Let's do one more. What cubic unit would you use to measure your classroom? Did you say cubic metres? That is correct. Now it's time to look at some different spaces. I want you to estimate which of these objects uses centimetres cubed to measure. Did you say tissue box? That is correct. Estimate which of these objects uses millimetres cubed to determine volume. Did you say lipstick? That is correct. Let's do one more. Estimate which of these objects do not use metres cubed to measure volume. Did you say Pringles? That is correct. Take a moment to think of 3 more examples, one for centimetres cubed, metres cubed, and kilometres cubed. Think, pair, share with your classmates. Happy learning!